Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing on the next 2 slides. You will have a number line, and you will be able to drag this box with the number onto the number line where you think it goes. Then you will fill in the sentence stem. Here we are going to round to the nearest thousandths place. Our number that we are rounding is 1,426. Since we are rounding to the nearest thousandths place, we'll go next door to the next digit, place value, which is a number 4. 4 or less, we let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. Since it's less, our new number would be 1,000. That would go right here on the number line, 1,426. Go to our sentence stem. Now you fill it in. 1,426 is closer to 1,000. Therefore, 1,426 is about 1,000.